Hi friends, we are here again with new blouse neckline design. Here we are cutting directly main fabric of the blouse with the form of lining. If you want to see how to cut back neckline, you can follow our previous video and watch it in playlist. We have cut this back neckline as per the measurement. Neck is punch coni. In this neckline we are going to add loops and cord piping. Our cutting is ready as per the sketch. Now we will proceed further for stitching process. For cord piping we have taken this contrast strip as per the sketch. We are going to attach it in front neck and back neck. First we will attach this cord piping to the neckline front and back. Let's attach this cord piping. Give small cut at the corner so that we can easily turn this piping. Now we have attached this cord piping. Hold the front point and turn it inside. You can see cord piping is attached nicely to the neckline front and back. Now with this blouse fabric we will make the piping to attach the loops. Let's see how to make it. We have taken this cross fabric. We are taking the stitch line of 1 mm. From that we will remove the fabric and your piping will be ready in bias fabric. This way we had done this piping of 1 mm gap. From that gap we have to take out whole fabric from inside to out, and this fabric will go inside. Let's see the process of it. First you take the needle, big needle with the thread. You take one stitch and knot it and turn the needle from back side and remove it from other end. Now your fabric will start coming out with the needle. You can see this. It's easily turned inside. You can see this piping how amazing it look and nice finishing. In one shot you can make this nicely. Now you have to cut it in a small pieces and make it ready for loop. This way you have to cut this. This all loops are 2 inch. Take proper distance as per your requirement. You take the paper strip on which you have to attach this loop. Stitch it over it with same distance. Now we'll see how to attach these loops to the blouse neckline. Now loop is attached, so you can remove that paper from back side. Now you can see your neckline is beautifully done. It looks simple and elegant in this beautiful fabric. You can see this beautiful design with cord piping and loop attached over it. You try this design and comment us in the comment box. And if you like this blouse, like us, subscribe us, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And wait for our next video. Thank you.